Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aditya Agung Putra Prawira. I am from Majalengka. Chapter 2, Transportation. Reading: Ford Electric Car, Past, Present, and Future. Ford intend to become a leader in electric car goes back to the company's earliest day. In those 100 plus years, Ford produced numerous plug-in concepts, a few production models, and a lot of gas-electric hybrid. But the company's EV efforts are mostly left undone. Today, the company is promising 16 new pure electric cars in the next 3 years. As we await their arrival, let's look for clues about the future for Ford electric car by looking at PACE. PACE. As early as 1903, Henry Ford was aware that his friend Thomas Edison was experimenting with battery technology for vehicles. But it was until 1914 that Ford began openly working on a low-cost electric car. According to news accounts, the goal was to sell the so-called Edison Ford for as low $500, only slightly more than a model in the day. Within a year, I hope we shall begin the manufacture of an electric automobile, Mr. Ford told the New York Times in January 1914. The problem so far has been to build a storage battery of lightweight which would operate for long distance without recharging. The batteries under the seat on the first couple of electric prototypes were capable of somewhere between 15 and 100 miles on a single charge. Ford was also numerous to be establishing a Detroit-based facility to produce the first Ford EV for introducing in 1915. During this era, electric cars were particularly appealing to women. Unlike gas cars that start with a hand crank, battery-powered automobile didn't take a lot of muscle to operate. EVs were reliable, and they didn't produce for sulfur emission. Henry Ford, wife Clara, who drove an 18-mile 1914 Detroit Electric, was an early EV advocate. By May 1914, Mr. Ford said, "It's coming," and he was proclaiming an EV revolution in the world. The electric automobile will be the family carriage of the future. Historian Aaron Curtin why Ford never delivered on his promise for the Edison Ford car. Some say that he was pulled away on other projects, but others believe the electric self-start was the culprit. When internal combustion cars start replacing hand crank with electric start device, EVs were robbed of a key selling point: easy of use. So, despite Clara acknowledgement and investment of about $1.5 million in his electric car project, Ford shelved his plan for a new, affordable electric vehicle. Present. The unexpected success of the Toyota Prius in the 200s ushered in what might be described as the hybrid decade. That period was defined by automakers once again questioning if batteries were affordable and robust enough for pure electric cars. Ford shifts in effort to hybrid and efforts the continues with its current lineup. In the wake on the 2008 financial crisis, Ford was well positioned to push for EV, a technology favored by the new Obama administration. The company unveiled its Focus Electric at the 2009 Frankfurt Motor Show. Using the Focus platform was a logical choice. Auto crisis consistently went into production by 2011, used at 23 kWh battery part official rate to provide 76 miles of range. When it was introduced, the Focus Electric was the only pure EV that looked and drove like a so-called normal car. There was a welcome relief for geeky EV design like the first generation Nissan Leaf and Mitsubishi Mi-EV. Also, the Focus was fun to drive. The 135 horsepower motor provided decent grip. The liquid cooling battery management system assured consistent year-round range and battery life. That the big drawback with the Ford Focus Electric was lack of charge space, as a gas car converted to run on electricity. The main battery pack was packed under the light-gate, reducing head cargo space by 39% to just 14.5 cubic feet. Future: autonomous and connected vehicle. Perhaps the most anticipated element of elegant transportation system is the concept vehicle. The imminent arrival of connected vehicle is one reason for new vision of transportation within a metro area. Connected technology focus on wireless communication, vehicle to vehicle, vehicle to pedestrian, and vehicle to infrastructure, collectively referred to as V2X, intended primarily to improve safety. V2V technologies allow cars to conventionally communicate to the vehicle around them so each are aware of the other speed, heading and direction. Connected vehicle also help in recognizing and alerting drivers to dangerous situations by the communication point is hazardous road area and insertion. V21 technology extends crash reduction capability by allow automatic control of signal timing, speed management, and operating of transit and commercial vehicle. The connected vehicle technologies and ready, said Sujene Murta, Senior Program Manager for Intelligent Transportation Initiatives at Think Global. Now it's a matter of government capturing and sharing data about real-time on the street traffic condition so drivers can make better choice. Different but related technology is that of automatic vehicle. Perhaps the most famous example of which is the Google self-driving car. Autonomous cars use a combination of a LiDAR similar to sonar but with laser light, GPS, optical cameras, and big-time processing power to analyze millions of possibility roadway scenarios on the take the abbreviated action. The drive input is needed. However, truly autonomous vehicle wherein the driver can't give up complete control to the car remain on the distant horizon. According to Ford, it is instrumental technologies advancement that will one day lead to driver's car. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.